Welcome, and here is a sneak peek of When Everything Feels Upside Down, a valuable resource to teachers and parents in helping children learn how to cope with difficult emotions. The book begins with the main character feeling a bit upside down. He feels lost, and as you can see, his world around him is flipped upside down as well. So, he begins to practice different exercises that help make him feel better. With each exercise, he begins to see that he is not only starting to feel better, but his surroundings are starting to turn back around. This book focuses on 3 simple, yet effective, evidence-based mindfulness techniques that help calm the nervous system. These techniques can be practiced anywhere and is helpful to both children and adults. Teaching children these techniques at a young age will help prepare them for the future, giving them the tools they need to process difficult emotions. By the end of the book, the main character is feeling better, and his world is turned right side up. He also learned a valuable lesson that in time, things can always turn around. In the back of the book is a helpful toolbox highlighting the techniques taught in the story. Each exercise is explained with more detail and describes its benefits and how it can be applied. If you think this book could be beneficial for your household, classroom, or therapy practice, please contact Erin Simonetti directly. Author, therapist, and new mother. It is never too late to start teaching our children how to cope when everything feels upside down. We hope you enjoy this book as much as we do.